Blessed and happy Monday to all of you, my dear friends, my dear brothers and sisters, my dear good people of God, faithful followers of the Daily Gospel Reflection with Father Jack, my dear kababayans. Today is July 29, 2024, and today we celebrate the feast day of Saints Martha, Mary, and Lazarus. Our Gospel for today is from the beautiful and the wonderful account of the Gospel of John, chapter 11, verses 17 to 27. In today's Gospel, Jesus came to Bethany to comfort and give sympathy to Mary and Martha for losing their brother Lazarus. And you know what? Experience of death is a very painful human experience, right? I would like to take note that, in Hebrew, Bethany means house of welcome. Some biblical experts would say or interpret that Bethany was translated as house of charity or house of answers. Indeed, it is a house of answer because the faith of Martha tells us that whatever we ask of God, God will give us. My dear friends, my dear followers, faith in God is power because faith can make impossible possible. It is indeed a house of answer because God raised Lazarus back to life again. God answered the prayers of Martha. Today, my dear friends, we need faith like that of Martha. Why? Because we are asked that even in an impossible situation, God can do miracles. Even in impossible situations, God answers our prayers because faith can move mountains. If God can raise a dead back to life again, God can also perform miracles in your life. That's why if you have some health issues, like serious health concerns today, believe, claim for your healing. Whatever you ask of God, God will give it to you. If you're hunting for a job, looking for a stable work, stable job, believe that God will answer your prayers in God's perfect time. If you are suffering because of poverty, of so many financial concerns and issues, work hard and believe that prosperity is on the way. Believe, be patient, and work hard. If you have some marital problems, relation issues, reconcile with your partner, talk, be humble, be patient, and ask for forgiveness. And let your family life be wonderful again. Believe and work hard. Friends, no matter how sinful we are, no matter how imperfect we are, no matter how weak we are, believe that there is a welcoming and a loving God and a merciful God. My dear friends, if God answered the prayers of Martha, I'm sure He will also grant and answer our prayers. Have faith, because faith in Jesus is power. If you love and like this reflection, kindly share it with your friends, share it with your family. Make the Word of God viral so that many will be blessed.